All right, Algebra 1 students, now we're ready for Unit 2, Lesson 3, which is the Part 2 of writing equations to model relationships. So we're still going to be writing these equations with our letters and our numbers to kind of model the patterns or relationships we see. So I can use words and equations to describe the patterns I see in a table of values or in a set of calculations. So we're going to be looking at tables of values, and we need to be able to describe the patterns that we're seeing within the table in words or using math. When given a description of a situation, I can use representations like diagrams and tables to help make sense of the situation and write equations for it. So many times we will have a situation, and one of the best ways to get a handle on how to write the equation that will model it is by first making a table of diagrams or kind of graphing what we know so that we have a better idea of the pattern. We're still working with the same two main words. So we have constraint and model. Remember, a constraint is just a limit or a control of the numbers where they don't maybe go past a certain amount, or there's only certain types of numbers we use. So a constraint is just a limit on the values we're using. Model is the actual graph or table or equation that is showing the pattern that we're coming up with or we're using. All right, so in this one, what I need you to do is write down the table here. And this table represents the X's and Y's in a situation, and they are related. So there's something that's changing the X value into the Y. There's some pattern that would work for all of these. What I want you to do is write down some strategies you've used in the past to come up with those patterns. Try and brainstorm as many strategies as possible, write those down, and then we're going to talk about those strategies to start our process tomorrow in class. And then that's going to guide us into hopefully creating very solid and quick strategies that allow us to come up with these mathematical models or these equations as quick as possible. So again, write down the table, try and brainstorm as many ways that you can to help you find the relationship, and then bring those to class tomorrow. Thanks.